Hello friends and welcome to the Rocky Mountain Crafter. So I've got this package here. Who is this from? Let's see. Let's take a look at that. Waffle Flower. Oh boy. Alrighty, let's dive in, take a look. So I'm not going to spoil the surprise for you guys. I do know what's in here because I ordered it, of course, but I am so excited about this stuff because I don't have any of it, obviously, but it's a certain style of stuff that I ordered, and I ordered it in kind of a bundle. So this I don't have any of. They just came out with these brushes, and I want to try some of these, so I think next time I will order them. But what I did order is a bundle. And my bundle is of shaker bundle. So what I like about these is that it's not just flat. It's not just putting acetate on your card and having a flat card where sequins can get stuck in. These actually stick out a little bit. They're a little bit 3D. I don't know if you guys can see that, but they are a little bit 3D. And because of that, the sequins inside of the shakers, they really are able to shake around quite a bit. So we have some hearts and some circles and some stars, and then with those we have coordinating dies to make cards, so the star will fit in there, and this cute Make-A-Wish and all these extra stars. And there's the heart, love with, and here's another heart with this beautiful leaf motif around it and a couple of little flowers. And save the date, so this would be great for making kids birthday invitations, wedding invitations, anniversary invitations. Here's some cute little envelopes. So this is brand new, this bundle here. Oh, here's another one, a happy birthday with a circle, but this is part of this and part of this with these snails. This is what I was really looking forward to. So the snails, you can make a bundle. It has all different size snails. This is the snail trio die and the snail die and the little small envelopes. And then along with this, there is some layered mushroom stencils. So that's going to be awesome. Do little snails on the mushrooms. There's some grass. So this was a bundle, you guys. The snails was a bundle, and the heart, stars, and circle was all a bundle. Yeah, so totally worth it. Check this out, Star Wish panel die. Like, look at it. That's going to be so awesome to play with. This one here I ordered extra. Oh no, not this one. There's a couple in here that I ordered extra. So this one here was just part of the snail bundle. But yeah, let's finish with the dies. Here is a thank you gift. I did not order this. This is a thank you gift. How nice, Waffle Flower. Thank you so much. So it's looks like alpha stencil. So it has all the letters of the alphabet and some numbers and some exclamation marks and other text type stuff. Another beautiful stencil. Daisy background stencil. Here's some adhesive sheets that I ordered. So I've been wanting to try these out for a while and haven't gotten around to it. So now I have some of those. What I love about Waffle Flower items is that they come, oh yeah, here's another one. And it comes in this envelope here. So this envelope has a spot to put your dies, which has nothing in it, but here is the coordinating dies that I can add to it after. And it has the spot for the stamps. So here's another set with the solar system. Look at that. Solar system die. And you put a ring on it. And oh my stars. And all these awesome sentiments here that go with the solar system die. And then this one here I wanted just because it's a good one to have. It's very versatile. Happy. And there's a coordinating die with it where you cut out the happy. You can have it popped up. You can do the eclipse effect where you cut it out of your background panel and pop just that word up a little bit. And then you can have so many other different words here. So it could be happy birthday, happy couple, happy Thanksgiving, graduation, so many things. Even when skies are gray, you make me happy, like, and little happy faces. There's just so many things. And this is one of those folders again that has the dies in it. That is so cool. Anyways, you guys, that's my haul. Like, wow, 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 wow. Are we done yet? Amazing. I can't wait to play. And here is the result of me playing. So I used the Layered Mushroom Stencil Duo, the Snail Die, and the Snailed It Sentiment Stamp Set. And with the stencil, it comes with the masks for the mushrooms. So once you've stenciled the mushrooms on, which I did first on that card, then I was able to put a mask over top of them and do the grass and the bushes in the background. So it made it super easy. I have a niece that's graduating this year, and just with that sentiment, good things take time, I just thought that it was appropriate after 12 years of school to give this to her for her big day. I am the Rocky Mountain Crafter. You can find me on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and .com. Thank you guys so much for watching me today. Take care. Bye-bye.